What if you could guarantee success for your agency? Maybe you don't even have an agency and you're looking for ways to make more money online. It is difficult to convince people to work with you when you have no experience. Now, what if you had a mindset shift that allowed you to know and believe that you are the person who can bring results to the table? You are the person who can deliver the value that those businesses need and want to pay for. They want to throw money at you. You can have that all and you can guarantee success. Almost. Nothing's ever a surefire guarantee, but using these 3 steps that I'm going to teach you in this video, you can be 99% confident that you will find success with your agency. So what are the 3 things that help you unlock that 99.9% confidence? Number 1 is you need to deeply believe that you can do it. I'm sure that you've all heard of self-fulfilling prophecies. Well, they're real. If you genuinely believe deep in your heart that you can accomplish something, you won't stop at anything until you get it. And it's that mindset, that relentless pursuit of opportunity that is going to cause you to succeed in your agency. This is step 1. It's internal. You need to know you can do this, and you're not going to stop at anything unless you do it. With that level of confidence, you can walk into a room with prospects and be sure that you are going to find some way to get the job done for them, to make value for their business, to bring prospects to their business, to earn them more money. You can be sure of this because you are not going to give up until you do it. You're going to learn somehow, some way. And it all comes down to the very square one, believing deeply and honestly with yourself that you can take care of the job. Point number 2, to guarantee success for your agency, you need to focus on results. You need to be end game oriented. Obsess with the outcome of your agency's operations. By being obsessed with results, you're going to be thinking, what is it that I can do to bring better results? Not what is it that I can do to make more money? That small mindset shift is slight, but when running an agency, and especially when starting an agency, being too greedy is going to prevent you from achieving the results that you want to achieve. Sometimes you're going to have to allocate a little bit more to the campaign in order to get the results that you're chasing. And by feeling that accountability of the fact that you are so focused on results, not just inputs, not just what they can bring for you, but what you can actually give to your clients, they're going to notice. And like I said in my previous video, everybody is tuned into the WIIFM frequency. That means what's in it for me? What is in it for me? That is what every single business owner is thinking in their head when they talk to you. They don't care about what they can do for you. They care about what you can do for them. So by focusing on results, by being laser focused and obsessed with the outcome of your agency's operations, you're going to be speaking their language. You're going to be focused on what they want you to focus on as an agency. And that makes them that much more likely to sign on as a client of yours. Number 3 is prioritizing relationships. In this world that we live in a digital world, it's easy to be distant from people. It's easy to just see people through screens, through Zoom. It's easy to make everything robotic. By prioritizing relationships, you're making it very clear that this is not only about money for you. This is about a partnership. This is about shared growth. This is about having mutual goals and achieving them together. By having that strong relationship with your clients, when times do get tough eventually, and they will, you're going to have something to fall back on. You're going to have a built relationship with trust, and trust is something that pays dividends in multiple ways. In my last video, I also spoke about how trust with your clients is going to open up not only opportunities for upsells and doing more work for them, earning more money, guaranteeing the success of your own agency growth, but also referrals, other business opportunities that can spawn out of having a solid relationship with your clients. Long-term partnerships are the key, and I can speak to this personally myself because in my agency, I have a client that has been with us for over 16 months. Now, if you don't know much about the social media marketing space, there's a pretty high churn rating, especially with people that are new to the game. Now, what that means is a lot of people come and go. You'll sign a client, they'll stay for a few months, and they'll take off. This happens a lot with people, especially when starting out. But because of the strong relationship that I have with this client, he's been paying my bills for 16 months. That's big. And that trust that he has in me is what keeps our business relationship going and fuels the fire for more agency growth and success for me in the long term. So to recap, number 1, deeply believe that you can do it. 2, focus on results. And 3, prioritize relationships. Best of luck, and I'll see you in the next video.